Razi Hassan, it is not your class. This is for CSCA. Okay, how many problems we did till now?
Sir, 2 problems of Jacobian.
Problem, sir.
Okay, right. Third one. Third question. Just check it, we have completed this question or not. If x is equal to u square by v, comma, y is equal to v square by u, we have to find out the value of Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. Okay, so whenever u and v will be the subject, that one we have to differentiate with respect to x and y. But in our question, it is given x and y as the subject. So let us start writing the solution of this problem. Solution you can see. First of all, u and v we have to make it subject. Then with respect to x and y we can do it. Otherwise we can do it in a regular way, that will be like this. Since u and v will be the subject, so how I am going to solve this question? What I am doing here is I am going to find out the Jacobian of x comma y with respect to uv. Okay, and after getting the answer, I will take the reciprocal of this. You will get our required answer. Is that okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
how to write this determinant value? Can you tell me first of all? How to write this determinant value?
du by
by dou u.
Dou
dou
by
u by dou x.
dou by dou u. Right now? Dou
Yes,
by
sir.
dou u. Dou by dou
Dou
v.
v.
Dou v.
Once again the same thing. Dou by dou u. Dou by dou v. And here x will come. X will come. Here y will come. Here y will
Y.
come.
Then y.
So what we have to do, we have to take the value of x. That one we have to differentiate with respect to u and with respect to v also. So we have a x value here given. This is u square by v. So what we have to do it, first of all, x with respect to u. What will be the answer? Can you tell me that? U square differentiation is 2u and 1 by u constant as it is.
By
Right? Correct?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Next, same x value now with respect to v here. With respect to v, whenever we are doing, u square is a constant, 1 by v
2
difference
by v.
minus 1 by v.
Minus u square by v.
So the answer will be u square by v square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, y
Yes,
value.
sir.
Y value is v square by u. This one we have to differentiate with respect to u and as well as with respect to v. Now dou y by dou u. Yes, Zaid, what happened?
सर पार्टिसिपेंट्स को अलाउ कीजिए सर, बाहर वेट कर रहे हैं.
Only one is there. Okay. So now with respect to u is there in the denominator. 1 by u is there in the denominator.
Minus v u
Yes,
square.
minus v square by
U square.
u square. Next, same thing, y value with respect to v now. With respect to v means v square difference
2v
is
by u.
2v by
V
u.
by u.
Now we have to substitute all these values here, which is equal to under the determinant of tell me first row answer.
2u by
2u
v.
by
2u by v and here
Minus u square by v square.
minus u square by v square
V square.
and here
Minus
Y-
v square by u square.
minus v square by u square.
minus v square by
U square.
u square and here
2v by u.
2v by
2v by u.
v by u,
2v by u.
and we know the process of expanding the determinant ad minus bc. 2 2s are 4, u by v into v by u minus into minus plus v square by u square into u square by v square. Correct? Eh?
Yes,
Yes sir.
So this
U
u
That is correct.
we cancel it out. V square u square cancel it out. 4 minus 1 is
3.
equal to 3. Which value is 3?
Dow x
Jacobian
comma
of-
y by
Jacobian
by
of
u.
yeah. Jacobian, we can call them it as Jacobian. Don't call it as dou. It's a Jacobian value. It's a Jacobian of x comma y with respect to u comma v. But I want the answer is what? Therefore, which answer we required? Jacobian of
with respect to u comma v.
uv
X comma y.
with respect to x comma y. Then what will be the
X
answer here?
1 by 3.
1 by 3. That's it. The problem is completed. Okay. सिर्फ अपन रिवर्स प्रोसेस में करके आंसर लिख दिए रिवर्स करके, नहीं तो आपको क्या करना पड़ता था. Here we have to make it u as a subject, then we have to simplify, v as a subject, then we have to simplify. The problem unnecessary become lengthy problem. Copy the problem immediately now. Fourth question I am writing here. Till that you can copy. If u is equal to x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, comma y plus z is equal to uv, comma z is equal to u v w. We have to show that the Jacobian of x, y, z with respect to u, v, w. Here it is answer also given. We have to show that this answer is u square into v. Solution I am writing now. We completed this previous problem, then only I can move to the next question. Right?
Yes sir.
Can I erase it now, the
Yes.
first problem?
Yes.
This question number 3. I'll send it to you, the recording also, today only. morning class recording and this class recording both. So let us continue the problem. Now you can see what is given here. First of all, we should write that values. What is given here? U is equal to, sorry, it's a U. U is equal to x plus y plus z. Called it as equation number 1. Here it is. Now next is tell me uv value. Uv value is y plus
Plus
z.
Z.
This is taken as the second equation. If you disturb, I'll switch off the mics of all the students. Be careful. So that you are not supposed to ask any doubt also. These are the 3 equations given. What we have to do it, we have to make it x as a subject. That x we have to see. This point is very important. We have to make it x as a subject, and that x value we have to differentiate with respect to u, v, w. Then we have to make it y as a subject. That y value with respect to u, v, w. Then we have to make it z as a subject. Then that z value with respect to u, v, w. This one we have to find out. So we have to make it x as a subject. So Jacobian value also I will write it here. How many we required? Actually, we required this one, x, y, z, with respect to u, v, w. So when I am going to write the determinant value, first of all, you can see how many values are required. Let me write down all these values. So according to that, we can find out. So you can see how many values we required. Denominator value, you can notice the way of writing the formula: dou by dou u, dou by dou v, dou by dou w, u, v, w. For the second row also, dou by dou u, dou by dou v, dou by dou w. Next, once again, dou by dou u, dou by dou v, dou by dou w. And this is what x, 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 y, y, y. This is z, z, z. These are the values we require. Now moving on, I want to make it x1, x as a subject. So what we will do it here is, if you notice from the equation number 2, tell me genuinely how many students are writing in notebook. How many are there listening the class with your notebook?
Sir.
Open the camera and tell me. खाली sir बोले तो कैसा मालूम होता मेरे को? How can we know that? 39, 29. Yes, good, very good, excellent. 17 also writing. Good. Then 52 is writing. Only 5 students. What about others? Zaid, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
No? Not writing?
Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir.
Shall we continue now?
Yes, sir.
What is our second equation? Can you tell me that? UV is equal to
Sir, UV equal y plus z.
y plus z. What is my target? my target to make it X as a subject. Understood or not? Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
we
sir.
make it X as a subject, then only we can differentiate with respect to U, V, W. So for that purpose, what we are doing here, bring this Z value that side. UV minus Z is equal to Y. UV minus Z value. What is the Z value here? U
UV.
V W. It is the value of Y. तो सेकंड रो का काम कर सकते हैं अपन पहले with respect to U, with respect
sir.
to V, with respect to W. Start work. Dou Y by dou U with respect to U first of all. Tell me the answer. U with respect to
V
U means
minus
1. V
UW.
minus U is becomes 1.
UW.
VW.
VW. Yeah.
Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Next. Same Y value. Now in this case with respect to V here.
U minus UW.
U minus UW. Now same Y value with respect to W here now.
Minus
UV
UV.
minus U, zero.
Minus UV. Minus UV.
Okay, never mind.
Right now? Next.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next, we have this equation also, you can see. Equation number 1. What is our equation number 1? X plus Y plus Z is equal to U. It is our equation number 1 now.
Yes.
Give
sir.
me the answer. If you bring this
Yes, sir.
Y and Z that side, can we say X becomes the subject now?
Yes, sir.
U
Yes.
take it minus common, Y plus Z. So this is X is equal to U minus Y plus Z value is UV. Look at the question, equation number 2.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now start our work. X with respect to U. This is 1 minus
1
V.
minus
One
V.
minus
V, sir.
X with respect to V.
Minus U.
Sir, minus U.
Very good. X with respect to W.
Zero,
Zero.
sir.
We don't have, so 0. Next, last. Z is equal to U, V, W. Already Z is the subject. Nothing to worried about it. Z1, Z we have to differentiate with respect to U. So what will be the answer?
VW.
VW. Z we have to differentiate with respect to V. UW.
UW.
So
Z
some
we
students
have
are
to.
still waiting to enter class, sir.
No, I can't see that as students. The request
Okay, sir.
not came to me here, and already 15 minutes are over. What they are doing still outside, I don't know. No one is there in the waiting room also.
Okay, sir.
I can show you if you want. I'll check it once again. No one is there in the waiting room. Only one student, 48.
Yes, sir. He messaged me.
Okay. W with respect to W means what is left of? UV. Correct?
UV.
Yes, sir.
You got it, all the values? So
Yes.
we'll find out its determinant. Let us see the determinant value. Now, moving on. First row answer.
1 minus V.
1 minus V. Yes, come on, very good. Then,
Minus U.
yes, good. Then,
0.
very good. Next, Y. Come on.
V minus VW.
V minus VW. U minus
minus
UW.
Minus
Then?
UV.
Minus
Minus
UV.
UV.
Yes. Next, third one. Come on.
VW.
VW. UW.
UW. UV.
UV. Right? Now process, you know how to expand the determinant. 3 by 3 matrix. Plus, minus, plus. Last row is anyhow
Diamond.
0. So we can neglect that part also. So let me start our work. 1 minus V. Whenever I am considering, corresponding row and column we can neglect. What is left of here? UV into U minus UW, AD minus into minus plus,
minus
okay, UV
two into
into
UW.
UW. बहुत केयरफुल करना, U और V में छोटा ही डिफरेंस रहता बहुत, ठीक है ना? प्लस U into corresponding row and column we can neglect, UV into V minus VW. This is AD over minus VW into U minus UW. Last one we don't want to do it, correct now? 0 into anything is 0 now. 1 minus V into, when we are multiplying, what happened? Give me the answer. Come on, give me the answer immediately.
U square V minus U square W.
U square
U square
V
V
minus
minus U square VW.
U square VW plus, what happened here?
U
U
square
square
VW.
VW.
VW, close it, plus U times of, then here UV square
UV square
minus U
minus UV square W.
square W minus
UVW
UVW minus into minus plus,
Let's
someone give me that, UVW
U
square
square.
bracket close. Now just look at carefully and tell me how many terms are cancelled.
U square VW and U plus U square
Yeah,
VW
first
cancel.
term, yeah, this is
square
cancelled.
VW square
Yes,
VW.
sir.
And here also UVW
square
square,
W. Yep. The
UV
cancel.
square W.
UV square W. अच्छा, here yes, UVW minus UVW square आना यहाँ पे W square आना देखिए. This term, if we multiply this term, UVW, here we got it. Yes, UVW UV square minus UV square W minus UVW minus into minus plus UVW square. देखिए बराबर कर रहे हैं अपन, कुछ तो मिस करे क्या देखिए. Be checking here, row and column AD minus BC. बराबर ही कर रहे हैं ना, तो why not it is cancel. UV square UV into V minus VW plus.
No sir, there is a mistake.
Huh? Where is the mistake? Tell me.
Instead of U minus VW, we need to write minus UV.
That is the mistake. Okay, find out. Very good. Maybe check around where we did the mistake. Here now.
Yes sir.
Plus U corresponding row and column neglecting. This into this is over, minus, yes. Minus into minus plus. Yes. Minus into minus plus. What happened here? It is U V square W now. ठीक है, अभी ओके ना?
Yes.
U V square W. तो फर्स्ट टर्म एक्सपैंड ओवर, यहाँ पे आता U V square W. ओके, तो प्लस U V square W. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. This plus and this minus term cancel. Already we have
Yes.
cancelled it out, these two. So what is left of? 1 minus v into u square v, right, plus u square v. Now when we expand this one with 1, what we are getting
Square
u
V square.
u square, okay, u square v square, yes. So first term, if you multiply u square v minus u square v square plus u square v square, right now. So these two terms are cancelled.
Yes, sir. These
What is
two
the finally we are getting our answer? U square
U square V.
into v.
V
That
square v.
one we required now. Look at the question.
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes.
the problem, very important question. 5 marks में एग्जाम में कई बार पूछा सो क्वेश्चन है, देखिए बहुत पेशेंस से करना है। अब कॉपी
Sir, rule number 28 is wait time.
Why
Enjoy.
he is waiting now? Is it the time to wait?
Sir, वो unmute नहीं कर सक रहे थे तो leave कर दिया sir.
Okay, let them to write. We are going to finish this today only. Affan Usmani in waiting room. Okay, write down fast. Okay, I'll take the attendance at the same time when you are writing. After taking the attendance, I'll give you some other questions now. And switch on your cameras while giving the attendance. Okay, starting with the roll number 1. Roll number 1. Absent. 2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4. 5.
Present, sir.
6. 7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
8. 9. 9. Absent. 10.
10 present, sir.
11. 12.
Present, sir.
Suleiman. 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Present, sir.
17. Okay, 16. Girls here, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
ये 16 सोगरा फातिमा क्यों नहीं आ रहे क्लास में? पूरे क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे थे ना वो? एक बार फोन करके देखिए आप।
Yes. Okay, sir.
हाँ। 18, 19,
Present, sir.
20.
20
Sir,
present,
20
sir.
is
Unable
present,
to open
sir.
mic.
Okay. 21,
Present, sir.
21. Farzan Khan.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Uh, 22,
Present, sir. 22 present.
23, 23, 24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26, 27,
Present, sir.
ये 27 कौन है? अमतुल रहीम. Okay. 28,
Present, sir.
रफी सादेक, आपका माइक ओपन है. रफी सादेक. 28, 29,
Sir, 29 is present, sir. Unable to unmute.
Yes, sir. 28 present.
30, 31, 32, 33, 33, Sayyid Ghaus Pasha. 34,
34 present, sir.
35, 36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39,
Present, sir.
40,
Why बोल के डाला बे? इरफान भी देख.
41, 41, 42, 43,
Present, sir.
44,
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46, 47, 48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53, 54,
54 present, sir.
55,
55 present, sir.
56, 57,
57 present, sir.
58, 59,
Present, sir.
60.
60 present, sir.
Civil students. Civil A. Civil A. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Present, sir. 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, students, one small question. Do you think these the classes are really effective? M1.
Sir.
झूठ मत बोली, सही बोली.
No,
Sir,
sir.
no, sir. Not
Not
at all.
effective.
No, sir.
And no, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
तो स्टॉप
No,
कर देंगे
sir.
फिर.
हो सर, वैसे भी आज लास्ट है शायद ना.
ठीक है.
सर, सगळ्याचे कॉलेजेस ओपन आहे सर.